Good morning everyone. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. So our today's topic is geography lesson. Let's get started with the exercise. First question. What geographic lesson did the poet in the jet learn when the jet just took off? When you are solving this question, you need to keep in your mind just took off. So when the plane just took off, the poet realized the city that humans have developed has not been well developed. Second question, what geographic lesson did the poet in the jet learn when the jet reached 10,000 feet? So what is the difference in between first and second question? In the first question, jet took off. Second question, jet reached 10,000 feet. From a height of 10,000 feet above the ground, the poet found the earth cities were found located on the banks of the river. And a little about the river level and valleys. Why the cities are usually located near the rivers? Because they get enough water for their crops. The next question. What was the once most necessary for the emergence of a city in the past? The easy availability of water for drinking to irrigation was the prime reason why civilization flocked around rivers. That's what we had discussed in the last question also. Why most of the cities are located near rivers. The reason behind the same, easy availability of water. The next question. What was difficult to understand about the earth when the jet was 6 miles high? It was difficult to understand why humans hate each other, why borders are built, because when you see the earth from the above, from high, we find the earth is same. But humans hate each other. They are the ones who have built borders, walls, and they have created fences, borders. So coming to the next question. What is the poet trying to bring out about human beings, the earth and learning? If I see the fifth question, that what is the poet trying to bring out about human beings? What he has learned? The poet is trying to bring out the fact that human beings have achieved a lot. They have achieved a lot of knowledge about the earth and beyond. Yes, we all know scientists are still working on the same. We have learned a lot, much about earth, shape, emergence of cities and nations. But we are failed. We have failed to learn how to love each other and how to live peacefully on this wonderful, this beautiful planet. As we all know, out of 8 planets, as of now, Earth is the only planet where life is possible. The last question is diary entry. You are a resident of Kashmir famous Lal Bagh area. Recently your state suffered a lot due to heavy rainfall. So when we are writing diary, few points you need to keep in your mind. The first point, the diary is an informal piece of writing. The second, there is a certain format. That is, we have already discussed in our previous class. Day, comma, date. In the next line, time, and then content. As diary is informal piece of writing, so you can use informal language. And you can write on your own. Thank you so much. Have a great day.